First, let's cut a whole lemon in half and juice it, straining out any little bits. Next, the top secret trick is removing the skins from the cooked chickpeas. When you rinse them, most of the skins will fall right off and float to the top, but it's really important to spend a few extra minutes making sure they're all out of there. Start adding all the ingredients into your food processor. Plop in 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, then add 2 cups of chickpeas. Follow that up with a 1/4 cup of water, 1/8 cup of lemon juice, and a healthy 1/2 cup of tahini paste. Toss in a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and finish with a 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now get ready to give everything a whirl. Put the lid on your food processor and process it until it's nice and smooth and fluffy. In the Thermomix, it takes 1 minute tops, gradually increasing the starting speed of 5 all the way up to 10. Now, pop off that lid and check it out, the fluffiest, creamiest hummus you've ever had. Just look at that. Let's swirl it around a little bit to create some wells for a finishing stream of extra virgin olive oil to dress the top. And because this is Spain, don't forget a generous dusting of a quintessential Spanish spice, sweet paprika, known here as pimenton, that gives everything it touches a little bit of smoke. Now, if you want to round out your tapas table, watch this video of some other perfect tapas that make the most of the before dinner hour when everybody gets together for a little something.